Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Micheal Kors haul. So I'm going to be unboxing these purses for you guys and just see what I purchased. So we're going to get straight into the video. I'm going to be showing you each bag and what it looks like. I also bought some dust bags because I want to protect my purses and I want to make sure that they're safe once I put them up. So this was my beautiful Micheal Kors bag that I carried everywhere, guys. Like, this bag, if it could talk, it would literally tell me that it's done. Like, I need to find another bag to be able to replace with this bag, because this bag has seen better days. So I decided to say, let me give my beautiful Micheal Kors tote a break and get some other bags. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to be showing you guys what I actually got. So this is the first one. The first one is the Ayden LG NS tote, and I love, so pretty. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how it looks like. So I would carry it that way. I would also carry this way, so has very many options. So we're going to move on to the next bag. We're going to come back to this one and talk about the details a little bit later. We're going to put this one over here. The next one is one of my personal favorites. I love a white purse. You guys have no idea. This is the Jessie tote. Super love it. I love a purse with short handles. This just is so convenient for me. I can just put this here. My purse is secured. I don't think anyone would want to go into this bag if it's being held this way by me. But I just super love it. It comes with a strap as well. The first purse did not come with a strap, but this one comes with a strap. So we're going to be going into detail with that one a little bit later. This in. Yep, there we go. So you can also carry it that way as well, or just this way. So this is the second purse. And then the third bag. This is the Jet Set item purse, and this pink is so pretty. Like, this is such a beautiful pink. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit different from the blush. Let me stand by the light. So the blush is a little bit on the lighter side, and the pink is just a perfect pink. You probably see it more pigmented when I show this to you guys in up close, but this is what it looks like. The same as the previous one, the Ayden one. You can carry it that way. Let me see. I don't think it has any straps. No, I don't think it has straps. No straps at all, because I think the straps are already long enough. They don't need a longer strap. So this is the third one. And then the last but not the least, so this is the Hope Luggage LG Sachel leather. So pretty. You guys are going to see this when we go up close. It is so beautiful. The brown is just so perfect. I love it. And this is what it looks like. It also comes with a strap. So there's a strap in here that you can hook onto the other part. And there you have it. A nice, perfect, long strap purse. But I'll definitely carry it like that. Like, I'll just use the straps for, like, I'll just put it there for the sake of putting it there. But I don't really like to have purse hang unless I'm shopping. I can't talk. Unless I'm shopping and I have so many bags, so then I will be able to utilize the long strap. But just on a regular day, with just me going to either brunch or lunch or any outing, I would probably carry it this way with just my hand like that or like that. So I also purchased the dust bags. So this is what the dust bags look like. So I bought one for each purse. So that's the reason why I bought so many. And then I also got, this is a Micheal Kors leather carry kit. I'm going to show you guys this up close as well. So now we're going to get up close and you guys are going to see these bags real close and just see how beautiful they look like. This was the first one that I unboxed for you guys. This is the Ayden purse, a nice blush tone color. I like how spacious the purse is inside. It has 2 pockets on both sides. That gives you more room for you to put more stuff in your purse. And of course, the detail of the stitching on this purse is just phenomenal. I like how much room is in here. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to put my laptop in here like I showed you earlier. And you still have more room in there to put other stuff in there. So this is definitely a win purse. Even though I don't like the long straps, they're so sturdy. They feel so strong. I love it. I just love it. The second purse I unboxed for you guys was the Jessie tote. And this is one of my favorite. I love white. White and red are like one of my favorite colors. So I love this purse so much. I love that it has the short straps, but they also give you the option for the longer strap here. So you have 2 options. You can carry it over your arm or just with your hand. Put it in your hand like that. Easy as that. Or if you've been shopping and you wanted to carry a nice Micheal Kors purse and you have so much stuff and your hands are full, you have the option to just make it as a crossbody purse. So I love this as well. This is the first purse that I'm having that has the Micheal Kors at the bottom. Most of them have the Micheal Kors right there on top, but I super love this one. Also, handles are really strong as well. Like all the Micheal Kors purses are so strong. I'm loving Micheal Kors, so it's like my favorite purse brand, and it's very affordable, guys. So it's not overpriced, and I just love that I'm getting a nice quality bag for not so much money. So this is the Jessie tote, and we're gonna try the laptop trick in here as well. So you put your laptop in there, you still have space, and it also has pockets. Well, the Jessie tote has 2 pockets, and then it has, I think this is meant for your laptop, I think. It has like a part in here. So this is like a free, like another space for you to put something in there. So I'm going to see if I can put my laptop in there and see if it's going to fit. So it fits so perfect. So it has a so this is probably meant for your laptop. So it has like a laptop fit for you so that you don't have to fight for space. So you have so much space left there, even with your laptop in the purse. Love it, love it, love it, love it. You have got to love Micheal Kors, guys. You have got to love Micheal Kors purses. So this is the third bag, and this is what I was talking about. I told you guys the pink will show more up close, and this is what it looks like. This is the Jet Set item purse. I really like the pink of this purse. It's a beautiful purse as well. It has 2 pockets. I like that Micheal Kors purses have 2 pockets, both on each side, so that's really awesome. We're gonna do the laptop test, and definitely can get in there, so that's another plus on this one. It's a beautiful purse for me. I love it. It's just the straps. I'm not a fan of the straps, but we'll see. I might tend to like it, but we don't know. but it's still a beautiful purse, guys. I love the feel of this purse. It's just so beautiful. All the purses have such beautiful feel to it. You can feel the quality of these purses is amazing. So kudos to Michael Kors. So this is the last purse, guys. This is another one that I really love so much. I specifically went into the store. I was looking for a different purse, and then when I got into the store and I looked at the purse that I was looking for, it was slightly bigger than this. I just didn't like it anymore, and I fell in love with this one and I decided to buy it. So this is the Hope bag. I love it. This is just so, it feels so good. The leather is so beautiful. The stitching details on all these bags is phenomenal. I super love it. I am not sure if my laptop would fit in this bag, but we're going to try it. Now I'm going to show you some details on this bag. So it looks like it only has this part here with the space, but it doesn't. So you can unclip that and you have space here, and also on this side you have space. So it's like you have 1, 2, 3 places to store all the things that you want to store in your bag, and this is just a jackpot for me. I'm going to try to put my laptop in here and see if it's going to fit. So perfect. So perfect. Perfecto. I love that my laptop can fit in all the bags because I can carry it with me and still look pretty and cute with a nice Michael Kors bag. So I really love these bags, you guys. I love all of them. I love the quality of these bags. I love each and every detail that has been put into work for these purses. I'm just so amazed at these bags. Like, they're just so beautiful. I think maybe Michael Kors is a little bit underrated. Guys, they have beautiful bags. You guys, you need to get you a Michael Kors bag. Then the last thing I got was the dust bags. Now, always when you buy a purse, like when you buy a quality purse, you always want to make sure that you have dust bags for them. And this just protects the bags from like dirt or anything that might be flying around, like in your house, or just like now it's pollen season, so we have pollen all over. If your windows are not shut properly, pollen is gonna get in, and that might sit on your purses. So I got some of these Michael Kors dust bags, and I got 4 of them for each bag. And then I also got the care kit. So this is something that they recommended me to get, and I was happy that they recommended me to get these. So this is the Michael Kors Renew. They're calling it the Michael Kors Renew, and then this is the Michael Kors Protect. So they come together, and I think this was like $10 for 2, if I'm not mistaken. But this is what they look like. That's the Renew, and then this is the Protect. So they come together. So what the Renew does is especially formulated to gently clean and moisturize all fine leathers. It cleans, moisturizes, and restores leathers to keep them soft and pliable. So that's a plus for me right there. And then the Protect. So the Michael Kors Protect safeguards all types of leather, including exotics, suede, nubuck, and canvas. So Michael Kors Protect applies on invisible, breathable layers of protection against rain, snow, dirt, and stains. So I remember the reason I got this is because it rains a lot sometimes here. So I wanted this to be able to protect my purses in case it rains and I am out and about. But so this was my little Michael Kors haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments section which purse you guys like the most. I showed you guys my 2 favorites. This one is my favorite, and this one is my favorite as well. So these are my two favorites. So you guys let me know which purse you like the most in the description box down below. I love all of them, but those two are like my major favorites. Almost forgot. So these are also pretty. They're cute for you to put in your purse, and they just go so perfect and so right with your Michael Kors purse. So yeah, that is the end of my video now that everything that I wanted to show you guys I've shown to you. So let me know again which purse you like the most in the description down below. For me, it is goodbye, and see you in my next video.